We will now have a look at those data types in details, and we'll start with the coils. And the coils are single bit values that can be either on 1 or off 0. They are read-write, and the typical example, they are, for example, a motor that can be either started or stopped, a pump that can be enabled or disabled. For the third example, the valve that can be either open or closed. And then we have an alarm reset, which can be reset or not reset, and the buzzer that can be either on or off. Then we have the discrete inputs, and the discrete inputs, they are also single bit values from field devices, so they can be either on or off, but they can not be written, they are read only. We read those values from the field devices, and typical examples are, for example, push buttons, switches, or proximity sensors, which can tell us, for example, an object is detected or not detected. And then we have input registers. They start from the 30,001, and those are 16-bit analog values. They are also read-only, so we read those values also only from the field. We can set them, and the typical examples are, for example, temperature, pressure, flow, current, or voltage. We read those through sensors that write their data into those 30,000 registers. And here I'll show you an example. For example, we have a temperature sensor which write to register 30,001, a value of 250. This value then needs scaling, means we need to check the manual of the device, and then we will know that 250 means actually, for example, 25 degree. Then we have holding registers starting from the 40,001, and those are 60-bit registers that can be both read and written. And the typical examples, they are set points, speed commands, configuration parameters, recipe values, and counters. And I have here an example. The best example is a motor speed command. So let us, we have a #me that tells the register 40,001 of a PLC device to set its value to 1500. This means that, and let us say that the speed of the motor is mapped to the register 40,001. This means that the motor speed will be set to 1500 revolutions per minute.